Hello everyone, welcome back to the Great IT Architecture channel. My name is Vitalii Andrusishyn, and today we are delving into a critical aspect of system design, disaster recovery. If you've ever wondered about the importance of preparing for the worst and ensuring your system can bounce back from unforeseen events, you're in the right place. Let's embark on an exploration into the realm of disaster recovery design. So, what exactly is disaster recovery? In the realm of complex systems, disaster recovery refers to the set of policies, procedures, and tools that ensure the restoration of critical business functions and data in the aftermath of disruption event. Those events can range from natural disasters to cyberattack, and the goal is to minimize downtime and data loss. Why disaster recovery is so crucial in today's complex systems? Well, reality is that unexpected events can and do happen. Whether it's hardware failure, a power outage, or more catastrophic event like a natural disaster, those disruptions can have severe consequences for businesses. A robust disaster recovery plan is your safety net, ensuring that your system can recover quickly and efficiently. Let's break down to the components of disaster recovery plan. Firstly, data backup is fundamental. Regularly backup your critical data to secure and off-site location. This ensures that when in the worst-case scenario, you can retrieve and restore your essential information. Additionally, have a well-documented plan that outlines the steps to be taken during and after a disaster. Designing for disaster recovery isn't just about having a plan. It's about ensuring that the plan works when needed. Regularly test and simulate disaster scenarios to validate your recovery procedures. This proactive approach helps identify weaknesses and areas for improvement before a real disaster strikes. Cloud-based disaster recovery has become increasingly popular in modern systems. Leveraging the cloud provides flexibility, scalability, and often cost efficiencies. Cloud platforms offer tools and services that can automate and streamline the disaster recovery processes, enabling businesses to recover quickly without the need to extensive infrastructure investments. Yes, you still have to spend some time setting up those tools, but you don't need the extra investment to build those tools from scratch. Finally, disaster recovery is closely tied to business continuity planning. While disaster recovery focused on the technical aspect of recovery, business continuity planning extends to broad organizational strategies. It involves maintaining essential business functions during and after a disaster, ensuring that business can continue to operate and serve its customer. As we wrap up, remember that disaster recovery is not an option. It's as necessary in today's complex and interconnected systems. If you found this information helpful, hit a like button and be sure to subscribe for more insights into building the great IT architecture. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.